Agriculture in EU countries consumes a large amount of water, primarily for irrigation. The use of micro-irrigation systems is highly beneficial because they can reduce water consumption by around 60%. But what about the waste management of these micro-irrigation systems? According to the FAO, in 2030 there will be 242 million hectares of micro-irrigated fields. Currently, polyethylene micro-irrigation pipes are recycled or incinerated. An environmentally friendly solution is to use alternative materials to manufacture compostable micro-irrigation systems. The European project DREAS aims to industrialize the process and technologies used in the manufacture of biodegradable or compostable micro-irrigation systems. 4 companies are working together on DREAS: Extraline Systems, Aimplas, Organic Waste Systems, Metsaplas.
The main objective of this project is the industrialization of new biodegradable and compostable micro-irrigation systems to introduce them into the market.
The particular objectives of DREAS are industrial scale-up of the new materials, a complete compostable micro-irrigation system, a new mould for the production of the new flat and tubular drippers, good weldability between the biodegradable pipes and the flat drippers. The environmental advantages of the DREAS compostable micro-irrigation systems are plastic waste reduction, no need for separation from the green waste, energy savings in the production stage, the system can be composted at the end of its life.
The main role of Aimplas in this project has been to develop new biodegradable and compostable materials. The compounds have been prepared by using a twin screw extruder and using different biodegradable raw materials. These materials have been mixed by physical and chemical modifications to achieve the required properties of each system. The total amount of material from renewable resources is more than 70%.
Extraline has designed and developed a new multi-cavity mould to inject the tubular drippers with the biodegradable materials developed. The new materials possess the right physical properties for the injection moulding process, enabling drippers to be created which meet the geometrical requirements. Metsaplas has designed a new multi-cavity mould to manufacture the flat drippers with the new materials.
We are involved in the irrigation market. We produce drippers, molds, lines for flat and cylindrical. We have all the know-how about it, and we try to participate in this project in order to produce the right dripper for this application. The dripper production or the mold design is not so easy, as this material is very, very complicated. It's not like the normal polyethylene. And now we are ready for the next step. The next step is start to produce it commercially.
Extraline manufactures the complete micro-irrigation system, pipes and drips, on an industrial scale up to the standards of conventional pipes.
The new biodegradable and compostable irrigation system may be obtained in conventional extraction lines. Extraline has not required to change its equipment.
The DREAS project has focused on the production of 2 micro-irrigation systems. Thin compostable pipes with flat drippers, used for short-cycle crops. Thicker compostable pipes with tubular drippers for longer cultivation periods. Different tests have been carried out on the final pipes and drippers. Tight control over their properties is important to ensure that the micro-irrigation system maintains its functionality, such as the required drip volume, its shape, and its mechanical properties under certain environmental conditions.
The role of OWS in the system is to check the compostability and the sustainability of the micro-irrigation system that has been developed in relation with the other partners. So we really want to check if we have a sustainable and compostable product. It means that the client can collect his product at the end of the use phase, at the end of the yield season, and treat it together with the organic fraction in an industrial composting plant. So it means that the product will be completely disintegrating during the composting process, fall apart and really degrading into CO2 and water and biomass. And also it's checked that the product has no toxic effect on the compost quality, so that we can ensure that we still have a high quality compost.
The new system developed by Dreas allows the farmer to remove green waste and the irrigation system together, and then either send them to a composting plant or treat them on the premises and obtain a high-value compost that can be spread over the fields. The industrialization of the micro-irrigation system will contribute to a reduction in environmental impacts, the improvement in soil quality, and a reduction in costs in the agricultural sector. The results of this project are of great market importance because there is a great demand for these compostable systems in Europe, Israel, the USA, and Russia.